We are at Sunset Reef Campground in Carlsbad, New Mexico.
And this is a campground review. Make sure to stay to the end to find out about the 1-star reviews we found on Google. Are they confirmed or are they busted?
Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride.
General impressions.
This is a small parking lot style campground set on BLM land. It has 5 RV sites and 6 tent sites available. It has been laid out mostly for traffic flow. There is no shade trees because this is a desert, but there is a nice mountain range in the background right over there.
We stayed in campsite number 2. It's the...
They're not numbered.
They're just in a row. They're all pull through for the RV sites, and it's the second one as you come in the property. All the RV sites are gravel pull throughs. They are fairly level. They are fairly close together. Exhibit A. There are no hookups. This is dry camping, so that means no water, no sewer, and no electric. Boogie woogie? No, not really. We did have a covered picnic area, which was kind of a nice surprise. With a picnic table, they have a grill and a fire ring with a layover grill attachment. For freshwater, we did have some difficulty loading freshwater refills, so you may want to make sure to fill up on that before you head out. The closest propane refill is Southwest LP Gas in Carlsbad, which is about 30 minutes drive away.
Tractor Supply does not have any.
This is the dump station that's located right next to the park, and we are very thankful for it. This way we can get all that extra weight out of our RV before we head down the road. There is a dump station located at 302 East Plaza Street in Carlsbad. It's at a community park and it is free to use. That is about 35 miles away.
I don't think this is any great surprise. There is no Wi-Fi at this campground, but there is very clear views of the sky for your Starlink for streaming, and you can use your Verizon Wireless also for streaming.
And teleconferencing. The noise level at this campground is fairly quiet, but it is dry camping, so you're going to have your windows open most of the time. You can hear, even at the quietest times, a little bit of distant noise from the main road. Otherwise, it's just the noise from the campground itself.
Amenities.
There is one pit toilet available here. There are no showers, no surprise. They do have trash cans at almost every site. There is also a laundromat in White City about 10 minutes away. But there's no pool or playground for the kids. Dog friendliness.
While the campground is dog friendly, there are no dog amenities here. There's no off-leash areas, there are no dog trash cans, there are no pickup stations. There is even not really a designated walking area for your dog, so you just kind of have to pick a spot out in the middle of the desert to go walk your dog in. Sometimes, you can walk them around the gravel, but there's one sign over there that says
near the tent camping.
Yeah, I mean, obviously you don't want them walking through the tent area and doing their business in the tent sites.
Absolutely, but your dog does need to be okay with going to the bathroom on gravel and sand.
Camp store.
There is no surprise here, no camp store at this campground, but there is a Walmart about 30 minutes away in Carlsbad. There is also an Amazon locker for pickups called Amazon Locker Blind. It's about 35 minutes away in Carlsbad. Camp staff interactions.
We had no interactions because there are no camp staff here. There are also no reservations. This is a first come, first serve campground. Additional information.
They have quiet hours from 10 o'clock till 7. And it does stay very busy every night. Almost every night we've been here, every single campsite has filled up. There is a 5-day maximum stay at this location.
If you like this content, please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps our channel out. We're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year.
The cost for our stay here was zero. Zilch. It was free. That's probably my favorite sentence when I'm talking about campground reviews. I love to get free campsites.
Better than free because it has lots of stuff like the awnings and the fire pits and all sorts of cool things like that.
That's right. So we give this a pretty high value because you're getting a lot of bang for your buck.
Definitely.
Or not buck. Now we get to the Google reviews. We're going to check out what we can find on Google and see if we can either confirm or bust some of the reviews.
1 star. John K says, there are 16 or so nice RV setups with shade and picnic tables, which would be fine even though they're all right on top of each other. The problem is there were 25 RVs jammed along the fences and everywhere else. What a zoo! 2 stars.
So, first correction, there are only 5 RV sites, and sometimes, as you can see tonight, they are filled by non-RV people.
There were some RVs parked along the fence though.
But honestly, as far as how chaotic it gets here, it really depends on your neighbors.
But besides our dog Kayla, we didn't see any other animals here.
Does one dog constitute a zoo?
I don't think so, but this isn't Sunnybrook Park.
Check out that campground view. They have their own zoo, literally.
With buffalo. They're like floopy cows.
Alice F. writes, it's a square parking lot. 5 sites in the middle for big rigs, 5 tent sites on one side, pit toilet, garbage cans, clean but very busy. Some campers were parked along the edge. Costa is similar, just a mile down the road. 3 stars.
Well, correction here, there are 6 tent sites available at this park. But otherwise, confirmed.
Now we're going to move to love it or hate it. We're going to talk about our least favorite parts and then finish up with the positive. So Mike, what was your least favorite part of being at this campground?
It was 100% without a doubt the road coming in here. There are some big rocks in that road that you're going to want to make sure that you avoid.
Take it slow. It's about a 3/4 mile road.
Although we hear maybe one of our future campground reviews may be on the rougher road. We'll see.
Mine was the 5-day max limit. That does kind of cut our stay short for what we like to stay. We usually like to stay places just a little bit longer. So let's leave that behind us and move on to the things we loved about this campground. Mike, what was your favorite part?
That had to be the nice amenities here. For a free campground, it has some really, really nice amenities.
My favorite part was that it was free! I love free. If you like this campground review, please make sure to check out some of our other campground reviews over here and see some of the other places we've stayed. Or if you'd like to see what adventures we got into while we were here, check out our vlog up here. Click it!